Hi, welcome back to Kitchen Secrets with Prasanna. Today's dish is oven roasted beetroot with feta cheese and some leaves in a lemon dressing. Feta cheese and almonds are the perfect combination to start with. The best thing about the beetroots is available all the year around. Hi, I'm Prasanna, a chef by profession, worked with some great chefs for past 16 years and learning the craft. Here in YouTube, I'm trying to share my experience, recipes and knowledge with you. In this channel, you can expect how a proper restaurant dish can be cooked at your convenience at home. Please join me as I'm excited to share my story with my family to you. Please support and join the journey. Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to do a simple beetroot salad with some baby beetroots, some feta cheese and baby jam with a simple vinaigrette, and it's nice, easy and simple but very tasty. So let's see how we're going to do it. For that I just got some baby beetroots, some whole thyme I'm going to put in the aluminium foil, add some bay leaf, crush some garlic, put some olive oil to it, nice good amount of olive oil, some salt and some pepper and a bit of butter, and that's it. So I had some beetroots, some butter, olive oil, salt, pepper, thyme and bay leaf and garlic, and that's it, all you need. So you make it as a parcel. Make sure to hold it tight, and that's it. That's how you have it. So just pop it in the oven, 180 degrees, 35 minutes. Now to the dressing. Dressing is very crucial and exciting part of the salad. It's super basic version of the vinaigrette. I like to keep it simple. It's basically 3:1. 3 parts of the oil and 1 part of citric acid. In this case, I'm using lemon and vinegar. First, fine chop of shallots in, then the lemon juice. Red wine, vinegar and the Dijon mustard, and give it a good mix. At this point, you can add some bit of honey to give a sweetness to the dressing. Now add in the olive oil and whisk it clearly so that all the ingredients combine together. Now you can add the salt and pepper to it. Make sure your salad is well clean, washed and dried so that it's crunchy and it's easy for the dressing to stick into the salad when it's dry. There is actually endless options of leaves, veggies and cheese you add in your salad. Here I'm trying to keep it simple and bring the best combination out. I'm using mixed lettuce which contains baby jam, spinach and kale. Now add in the clean broad beans to it, a bit of salt and pepper to it, and add the dressing and mix it nice and gentle. Now carefully arrange this in the plate. Okay, so now the beetroot has been cooked already. I have removed it from the oven. It's been cooked for 40 minutes in 180 degrees. So we just got this baby beetroot. We just added some salt and pepper, olive oil, a bit of butter, thyme, garlic, and that's it. We just wrap it in the aluminium foil and we cook in the oven. So now it's been cooked. I have cleaned a few. So now let's plate it. So I want to look more elegant and big. Cut few as a half and few as a quarter and add them there. So it's so very dark and vibrant and it's not overcooked, and at the same time it's not very hard as well. So if you just follow the same temperature and timing, it would be perfect. To this add a bit of the same dressing. Okay, now let's plate. We have already dressed the salad. I'm going to plate the salad on top. Keep the salad together in the middle. Scatter this broad bean around. Now add this feta cheese. Arrange in a way that it's visible all the side, and finish it off with some toasted almond flakes. Okay, and finally drizzle quickly a small teaspoon of dressing and there you have it. Extremely delicious beetroot salad and with feta cheese, broad beans and almonds. Enjoy. A more simple and brilliant oven roasted beetroot and feta salad. Very simple, vibrant in color, healthy and tastes amazing. Please try it, like, share and comment our videos, and for regular updates please click the bell icon and join the journey by supporting us. Thank you for watching Kitchen Secrets with me Prasanna. See you until next time and enjoy cooking the kitchen secrets.